Hello, kindergartners. So today we're going to start our math lessons using Engage New York, the lessons that we did in class. So we'll start with, this week we're going to start with Module 3, Lesson 25. Tomorrow we'll go over Lesson 26 and so on. So as you remember, we used PowerPoints to teach our math lessons. And I'm going to start by saying the objective. Today's objective is I can match and count to compare a number of objects and state which quantity is more. Okay. So I'm going to go, we're going to do a problems or a prep. Before we do our problem set, we're going to review more or less or more than, okay? Okay, so if you look at this slide, it says which has more. So we have a lot of birds here and we have a lot of worms here. Now we're going to count, we're going to start counting the birds. Let's do that first, okay? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 birds. And I'm just going to write that down. I'll write a number 9 right here. Oh, never mind, wrong tool. Nine. I was able to type it in, so there you go. There's a number 9 right there, if you can see it. Okay, and then below, so we have 9 birds. Now we're going to count how many worms we have, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 worms. So now I'm going to type the number 8 so you can see. All right, so we have 9 birds and 8 worms. Which one is more? Are there more birds or worms? There are more birds. There's one more bird than worms, okay? One extra bird. And if you look here, see the empty space? That's a clue. That shows us that there are less worms and more birds, okay? Next one. Oops, let me get out of here. Okay. Now I'm gonna move to the problem set. As you remember, we would, oops, forgot to remove this. Oops, let me go back. There we go. I'm going to use my eraser to erase. Oh, it's already on. Okay. Now, problem set. Okay. So as you remember in class, we would go over the problem set together, and then you're going to do the exit ticket on your own. And I'm going to put the exit ticket on Seesaw for you so you can fill in the answers the same way that I'm going to do here, okay? Now, the problem set says, count the objects in each line. So this is a line and this is a line. Next, it says, write how many in the box. This box and this box. So we're going to count how many objects here, put it in this box, and we're going to count how many objects are here and put it in this box. Okay? And then at the bottom, it says blank is more than blank. So we're going to write the number, or the object that has the most, we're going to write the number here. And the object that has the least amount, we're going to write the number here, second, because it says blank is more than blank. All right, so let's do the first one together. I'm going to get my drawing tool. Actually, I'm going to use the text button so I can fill in the answer. All right, there we go. So let's count together. Are you ready? Okay, these look like raspberries. So we're going to count. How many raspberries do we have? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to type the number 3 here. And you'll be able to do this as well on Seesaw when you do your exit ticket. Okay, next one. How many strawberries are there? We're going to count together. You ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 strawberries. Now, down here, again, it says blank is more than blank. So the bigger number goes first because the bigger number is more than the smaller number, right? So in this case, we have 3 and 5. Which number is bigger? It is 5. So 5 is going to go first. I'm going to fill it in again. I'm going to write or type in the number 5 right here. Let me just shrink this. Oops, just a second. Okay, 5. It's a little big. That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's fine. So the next number, again, it says blank is more than blank. So what number is going to go here? We have 5 and 3. So it's going to be 3. There we go. I know it's a little hard to see. I hope you all can see that. Okay. Next one. It says, oh, actually there are pandas and cats. So we're going to count how many pandas we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 pandas, so I'm going to write in the number 7 or type it in for you. Right here, number 7. There we go. And then below we have cats. Are you ready to count with me? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 cats. So I'm going to type the number 8 right here. 8. Oops. Move it over a little bit. Okay, that's fine. All right. And again, we're going to go to the bottom. It says blank is more than blank. So we have to figure out which number is more. Is it 8 or 7? Which number is bigger? It is 8. 8 is bigger than 7. So that's the same thing. It's like saying bigger than means more than, okay? 8 is more than 7. Okay. Last one. And then we'll go over our exit ticket. Okay, so here we have whales and sea lions. So let's count the whales together. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8. Okay, I'm going to type in my answer like that. And then let's count the sea lions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 sea lions. Okay, I'm writing number 10. That's a 1 and a 0. There we go. Now at the bottom again, we're going to put in the number that's more than. The bigger number goes first here, and the smaller number goes last, second. Blank is more than blank. Which number is bigger, 8 or 10? It is 10. So I'm going to type in the number 10 there. 10 is more than 8 because 10 is the bigger number. Remember, bigger more than means bigger than. 10 is more than 8. All right. Wonderful. So now we're going to go to the exit ticket, and you're going to do this. Oops, I have to erase my numbers before we go to the exit ticket. Okay. Exit ticket time. So this is what you're going to do on Seesaw. You're going to see this sheet here, and you're going to fill in the answers using the drawing tool on Seesaw. There's a pencil tool and a drawing tool. You'll click on either the pencil or the pen. Okay. It says count the objects in each line, write how many in the box, then fill in the blanks below. So you're going to do the same thing that we did on this page. You have two rows. You have one row and another row. So you're going to count the number of seashells. You're going to write the number. You're going to count the number of seashells here, write the number, and you're going to put the bigger number first and the smaller number second. Blank is more than blank. Don't forget to do this part at the bottom. You're going to do the same thing here for the crabs. Count the crabs, write the number. Count this, the starfish, write the number. Write which number is more and less. And then at the bottom you have turtles and hermit crabs. You're going to write the number of turtles here, the number of hermit crabs here, and then you'll write the bigger number and the smaller number. Okay, then you will do, again, you'll do that on Seesaw. Let's see what else. Okay, that's all for now. I can't wait to see your work on Seesaw. Bye.